What's up, guys? This is a new weekly update on my journey from 0 to 10K a month and beyond with an AI agency. And basically what we do in these videos is just document weekly what happened that week, and then we strategize the next week. Okay, so just to give you some context, I run an agency called Content Agency OS. This is the name over here. And this is just a Figma board where I track everything related to the business and just have like documentation and stuff. Competitor copy, free value, DM outreach, real example of operations. But basically what we do is we have an operation system for content agencies. Okay, so we step in and we partner up with content agencies to build operation systems so that they can scale to 100K a month faster and without chaos. Okay, so that's what we do. Right now we're targeting specifically YouTube content agencies because I just know more about that niche, but it's a small niche, so we want to go broad. Okay, I've been in the AI agency space for 2 years, but I only started building an actual like agency just a couple of weeks ago, a couple of months ago, because I was just like wasting time learning AI chatbots or a client here and there. But that's why it's been 2 years and um, I haven't got to 10K a month, right? But um, I had a client. The contract ended, but we're still gonna work together. We're gonna talk about that. So right now my peak was almost 3K a month. Okay, so yeah, this is just context for you guys. So let's go over what happened this week. Actually, the plans for the week were to record 14 videos for prospects. So I'm doing cold outreach on LinkedIn, X, whatever platform it is that I need to use to reach out to the lead. But I basically recorded video showcasing our system branded to their agency. So it's a mock-up of our system branded to their agency. So it's super personalized and valuable. And I've been getting very good feedback on the actual video itself. But yeah, that's the plan. There was a plan to record 14 videos for prospects this week, and I did that. Make a LinkedIn post, I did that. Create a Notion doc with chess case study. I'm almost done with that. Daily tweet, I did that. Get back to the gym and follow a good routine. So yeah, this week I just went to the gym one time, and the good routine is not that good. So, right now it's 11:42 p.m. I'm pretty much going to sleep at around 1 a.m. every day, so that's definitely not a good routine. So I didn't complete these tasks. Let's go over exactly what happened. So I recorded 22 personalized videos for prospects, which is awesome. You can see some of the daily inputs. So I started to track this now because it's just good to track, right? And so that I can make sure that I do more, because this is very low amount of volume, and I did 2 these days because I think I went out to the beach. I went out to a pool of a friend, so that's why I did 2. But I would like to pump out 5 video days, right? I made daily tweets, made a LinkedIn post. I'm going to show you guys my LinkedIn post right now. So if I jump to my profile, this is how it looks at the moment. And the post that I did is this one over here. Why this type of outreach for content agencies work, this Dream 100 outreach. Yeah, you can take a look. I just read some of the stuff. I think it's a very valuable post. And yeah, I think I did a good job writing the post. Daily tweets. Let me show you how my account is looking. Profile. Yeah, so this is how the account looks like. Boom. Tweet. Pretty much 0 impressions, 0 likes, but that's the name of the game, right? And we need to, obviously, I need to, how do I go on Twitter? I need to reply to tweets. I need to how do you call it? Comment on tweets, right? So to bring viewers to my profile. Because when you create a new account and you start tweeting, like nobody sees that. You need to actually bring people to your profile, and you do that by commenting on other tweets. So the strategy of cold outreach, video outreach, personalized outreach is going decently well, and we got future plans, so we are not lost. Okay, so we have a very small amount of leads, probably like 100 of YouTube content agencies, because there are not a lot of content agencies, and most of them on the lead list are like broke anyway. So we don't have a lot, and we are running out of them. So we need to go to a different niche. We are targeting YouTube content agencies specifically, but we need to target any type of content agency, media production agencies, ads agencies, maybe. I still need to think it through because our system needs to actually be valuable to those agencies. And obviously an ads agencies is very different to a LinkedIn content agency, right? So yeah, figure out that our clients should be making at least 25K or 30K a month to benefit a lot from our services. Yeah, so I just figured out that because we build backend systems, fulfillment systems, and operation systems, an agency doing 30K a month is ideal. Okay, so we are reaching out to a bunch of leads that are not even like making 15K. So it's just a prospect told me that it's a good offer, but I'm just reaching out to it's just a bad ICP basically. But I don't know. We'll see. We need to get better leads for sure. Pitch just a part of the OS to a smaller prospect. So again, there was a small prospect that I was targeting, and we started sharing, and I was just like trying to understand what are his bottlenecks. Obviously, he has a small agency, so I know his bottlenecks are client acquisition. But I recorded a video for him, just explaining that we could build a part of instead of the whole system for a couple $1,000s, just a part of the system for 647. I just randomly put a number there, which is the CRM, the CRM that we have inside of our OS, so that he can do his outreach much more efficiently and solve some of the problems that he told me. So yeah, let's see. I did that today, so we'll see his response. But yeah, Shaz, which is a past client that we had a 2.2K retainer. Now the contract ended, but we still have a partnership because he likes to work with me, and so he's looking for someone to do some custom work. So I might help him with that. I still need to see, but yeah, just to get, I don't know, more experience in building projects, get more money in the bank account, I guess. I guess that's it, yeah. Because it's not ideal, obviously. You don't want to be doing one-off projects. This is not going to be a retainer again for development services. It's going to be just one-off projects, but it is what it is. I think I can squeeze some time into those projects and, just learn from those. And just, keep the relationship with him so that I can have a retainer in the future. Because the contract ended and we did not renew because he pretty much doesn't have very good funds right now because he's switching the offer, switching the strategy, all that. So yeah, I'm 70% done writing the case study document, and I got an awesome video testimonial from him, which is awesome. Can I show you that? Well, that's gonna make me edit the video, so I don't want to do that. But it's just a Notion document. It's a Notion document. We have his testimonial, and then I just go over like the problems they were suffering, our solution, how we did the solution, the systems that we built for him, the results, the experience that he had, and a CTA. I think that's it. But we have a bunch of images, we have videos. So I have a video testimonial from him, and a client interview where I asked him a bunch of questions, and I put here, I'm going to put here a bunch of clips from the client interview to even add more, I don't know, to just make the case study even more powerful. My computer is going so fast right now. I don't know what's happening. But to just make the case study much more powerful with all the clips from Shaz, like saying good and saying what the experience was and what we did, right? So just make a freaking good case study document. I think it's going to look very good because and then I can use it in a sales process. I can follow up with leads with that case study. I can add the case study to my content, to my website. You know, it's a value. It's a very valuable marketing asset, right? Now, in terms of the plans for the next week, obviously, so keep recording videos daily and reaching out to leads. That's obviously a non-negotiable. Make a LinkedIn post as well. Again, I'm making one a week. Not sure if that's ideal. Obviously, I should be posting more, but yeah, it is what it is. Maybe, yeah, it doesn't even bring booked calls, but it's just for the sake of it, to be honest. Finish the case study, Notion doc, obviously, daily tweet, and then just think through how we can transform the OS so that it fits better the future niches that we'll target. As I said, media production agencies or um, what was it, like any type of content agency, you know. So I kind of need to transform the OS to make sure that when I make the video for the lead, it makes more sense because I show the system. So I need to make sure the system is not like specifically for a YouTube agency when I'm reaching out to a LinkedIn agency or whatever, right? So yeah, I need to think through this. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching this weekly update. Yeah, I hope you guys are also doing good in your journey to your goals because yeah, I'm not doing fantastic, but I'm doing all right now. Just gotta put in the work daily and the results will come, right? So that's it, guys. Have an amazing week and I talk to you next week.